Cat behavior can often be a mystery. Cats experience different emotions like anger, stress, fear, and sadness, which can affect how they act. There could be several reasons why a cat might be misbehaving. Cats are curious creatures and need mental and physical stimulation. If they are not getting enough playtime, they may engage in undesirable behaviors to entertain themselves. If a cat is hungry or not getting the food they like, they might act out. Changes in diet or feeding schedule could also lead to frustration. Cats can be very sensitive to changes in their environment, such as new people, pets, or even moving to a new home. This can cause anxiety and lead to misbehavior. A cat calming pheromone diffuser is a device that releases artificial pheromones designed to soothe cats and help reduce stress and anxiety. The Feliway Classic Cat Calming Pheromone Diffuser helps create a relaxing environment for your cat. Cats use pheromones to communicate, and this diffuser sends calming signals to make your cat feel safer and more secure. Pain or discomfort from illness or injury can cause a cat to act out. If the misbehavior seems sudden or extreme, a trip to the vet might be necessary. Cats can be territorial and may show aggression or misbehave if they feel their space is being invaded. This could happen if there's a new pet or even a change in furniture layout. If the litter box is not clean enough, your cat may stop using it properly and might act out in other ways. Cats often learn that misbehaving gets attention, even if it's negative. If they feel ignored, they may misbehave to get a reaction. If you are dealing with a misbehaving cat, observing its behavior closely and identifying any changes in its environment or health can be helpful in figuring out the cause.